Hi guys, so today we are diving into a dish that's bursting with flavor and aroma, the magnificent prawn biryani. Get ready for a tender, juicy prawns nestled in layer of fragrant basmati rice, infused with aromatic spices and a hint of mint and coriander. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience. So if you are craving a taste of India with a seafood twist, you have come to the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to create this restaurant worthy prawn biryani in your own home. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then take 25 to 30 large prawns washed and cleaned. As you can see, I have removed the shells of the prawns. Then add some salt to taste, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about half an hour. Then check on the water. Once it starts to boil, add 2 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. Then add some salt to taste and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the rice is 70% cooked. So the rice is 70% cooked now, as you can see. Then simply strain the rice. Then in a hot pan add 3 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter, add half teaspoon black peppercorns, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 4 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 5 cloves, and fry it for few seconds. Then add 4 onions sliced, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies chopped, and fry it until the onion is nice and light brown. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add 1 cup tomato puree, add handful of chopped mint leaves, handful of chopped coriander leaves, and fry it for a minute. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon biryani masala, and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Until the masalas are nicely cooked. Then add 1/4 cup saffron milk, add half cup yogurt, and then cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the marinated prawns in the sauce and then give it a nice mix. Then add half cup water, add some salt to taste, add 2 stock cubes, and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. and cook it until the curry is nice and thick. As you can see that the oil is nicely separated and the gravy is nice and thick now. Then simply remove half of the mix in a separate bowl, as we are going to keep it later when we layer the biryani. Then simply add the cooked rice, but add just half, and then add the remaining prawn mix, and then add the remaining rice, and spread the rice nicely. Then add 1/4 cup saffron milk, add some fried onion, add some chopped mint leaves, some chopped coriander leaves, some ginger, add 4 green chilies, add some dried rose petals, and then cover it and cook it on a low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. So the prawn biryani is ready. And there you have it guys, a beautifully fragrant and delicious prawn biryani ready to be enjoyed. I hope you give this recipe a try and experience the wonderful flavors for yourself. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe for more delicious recipes and let me know in the comments how your biryani turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.